For chapter 2, I'm going to pick a problem from section 2.3 using the composition of functions formula. Now, this is the word problem, number 43 in chapter 2.3. And using the composition of functions, you need the formula. And the formula is right here. It's f composed with g times x equals f times g times x. And that's the formula for the composition of functions. And we're going to use that for problem number 43. Problem number 43 asks, it's sort of a conversion for sizes of clothing. And so to convert a Japan size to a US size, you take the Japan size, you subtract 3 from it, and that'll give you the US size. Now to take a US size, to convert it to an Australian size, we take the US size and add 4 to it, x plus 4. And now what the question is asking us to find is a formula that's going to convert a Japanese size clothes into an Australian size clothing. And all we have to use with this is the composition of formulas. So what we do here is I'm going to take x minus 3 and I'm going to compose it into that x. I'm going to use this. This is all going to become x. So what I'm going to end up having is x minus 3 plus 4. And minus 3 plus 4 is going to end up being x plus 1. Now this checks off because we know that to convert a Japanese size to US, let's take a Japanese size 5. Okay. If we're going to do that, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay. And now that we have a US size, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Well, using this new formula to x plus 1 to calculate a Japanese size to an Australian size, if we had just done that, Japanese 5 plus 1 equals 6, the Australian size. So we know that the formula then checks off.